Oh, hi guys. We're in the middle of a winter storm, so definitely hot chocolate weather. But today we'll see what is the polar vortex that causes extreme cold weather. And it doesn't cause it every single year, but every other year, every few years, there is extreme cold weather that's caused. So here is quote from NOAA climate.gov. The Arctic polar vortex is strong bands of winds in the stratosphere surrounding the North Pole. So it's basically 10 to 30 miles, but there's a strong polar vortex, and below that 5 to 9 miles is the polar jet stream that kind of contains the all the cold air. So quote again from NOAA climate.gov, every other year the Arctic polar dramatically weakens. So that can be pushed off, the vortex can be pushed off to the pole or even split into two like you see up here. And then that basically affects the polar jet stream. That becomes wavy, and this upheaval pushes all this cold air southwards and north air, warm air towards the north, towards the Arctic. So if you look at it, we had a stable polar vortex. That stable polar vortex has now gotten disrupted or split into two, and it pushes the polar jet stream southwards. So here is quote, extreme cold in the southern United States in 2021. You see how the north is warmer and the south has extreme cold weather disruption, that the wavy disruption we were talking about in the previous few slides that we saw. Okay, this is again from NOAA climate.gov. You see the disruption here. Globes show 10 millibar geopotential heights, an indicator of air pressure. So you can see the disruption happening full circle, and then on the extreme right you see two different circles of the polar vortex getting disrupted. All right, so now the climate models are basically split if indeed global warming and all those phenomena are weakening or strengthening the polar vortex. So there is no clear consensus between the models if it's actually affecting it or if it's actually strengthening the polar vortex. So here is a YouTube video from NOAA.climate.gov that shows polar jet stream. It's making a deep dive into the southern United States in 2021. You see the deep dive that it's making towards the southern United States. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed understanding what is the polar vortex cause extreme cold weather, and I hope you stay safe and you please also stay warm. All right, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.